So in this channel, we have showed you how to add cool accessory like this on your Tesla and a whole bunch of other accessories connected to this rear OBD port. As you can see, this is busy. We have daisy chained so many different products to this same port. And one of the issues that we have run across is this back cover is too tight. This is basically a flat cover because Tesla intended for you to only have one OBD port like this. Now we have got a whole bunch of different connections, including a commander from Enhance here with the rear screen and the sunshade, everything connected there. So I've been asking the companies that we work with to come up with a solution that can accommodate OBD ports like this, multiple OBD ports, so we don't have to get this exposed. Right now I have to just leave it like this or hide it with a box or something here, and that is not an ideal solution. I just wanted a larger cover. Tesla Studio was nice enough to create a product that solves that problem. If you look at it here, this is a deep well cover here that has all of this space in the back exactly for this reason compared to the flat here. So this is the Tesla's OEM, this is the Tesla Studio one, and now all you have to do is just scoop all of these products here and connect them together and then push this in. I'm gonna need two hands to do this because as you can see, I've got a whole bunch of products, but once this is good to go, it'll just push in and it will just be flush mounted to that location there, giving you a peace of mind that you have all of those products there and you don't have to expose them. And this really solves this problem of having a flat cover in the back. With this one, as I said, I need to fix this a little bit. I'm recording with my other hand, but this is huge, right? Like this is a big cover and it shows that this just perfectly fits in there and accommodate all of your needs there. So this is what it looks like when it is fully installed. It goes and blends in. The only thing is my lighting is a little bit off here. This looks more of a darker gray versus this is black. This is a kind of a dark day today, so it is hard to show you here with the current lighting, but you're gonna notice a little bit of a difference on the color. But even with a little bit of a darkness here, I can't tell the difference, right? So that is not going to bother me, but just keep in mind that this is going to look much darker. This is a black color versus this is gonna be a grayish color. So just keep that in mind. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the two. As you can see, this has a big well in the back that you can fit everything versus this is just a hollow flat. So there's nothing here on the back versus this one has all of that space, the pouch in the back to fit. They already put the pins and everything to match with this guy here, so you don't have to worry about it. This is a one-to-one fit, so it is just going to go in and align it, and this is what this looks like. I don't know if this is 3D printed, kind of looks like 3D printed. It is a strong plastic for sure. It's not flexible. I would probably like it to be more flexible so it doesn't break or anything, but this looks nice. I mean, this is what it looks like here with the back and everything. So now this allows you to have this much more room to put your OBD ports versus this guy here. Here's a closer look with more light. Kind of looks like it is from a mold, honestly. Look at that, the interior finish, unlike a 3D printer would, or I don't know. I don't have a 3D printer or a mold to know what the material looks like, but in case you know, here's a full picture of what this looks like here. It's the curvature there and everything. Tesla Studio sent me this product free of charge to review in our channel today. I do not control pricing for any of these vendors. I have no say on that. I don't have that type of relationship. All they do is send me this product free of charge and I review and I show you where to get it and what the product does, my likes and my dislike. Total honest review every single time. But when I was surfing the website from Tesla Studio, I saw that this was marked down from $99 to $75 now. And if you use my discount code Shiva Tesla during checkout, you should be able to knock off another $15, bringing this total to $60. Now, I'm gonna let you be the judge if this is worth it for you or not. I do not know what it takes to make a product like this. Maybe they are just 3D printing one-off solutions like this, and then if there is a much bigger interest, they'll create a mold and mass produce it, then the price would go down. But as I'm making this video, that is the price, that is how you save some money, and I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it for your case or not. Please comment below your thoughts. If you have 3D printed parts before, what it costs. I don't have a 3D printer, so I don't know what it costs with the filament and everything. They got to ship this out too, so there is probably the cost is justified, but please let me know in the comment section below. I would say that though, if you are dissatisfied with the pricing, please let me know in the comment section below. But before you hit that dislike button, consider that I'm just a messenger. I'm just showing you with honest review of what this product does, my likes, my dislikes. I don't control this pricing. I am not selling you this product. You don't have to buy this product. My job is to just show you what the product does and where to get it from. So before you hit that dislike button just because you don't like the price or the vendor, please consider that. I'm spending all this time to show you all what the product looks like. Thank you very much for your support. Let's continue. So it is a very simple product, but it has a big benefit because in this channel, as I said, we show you so many different accessories, and a lot of you have purchased those accessories, including the rear screen, the sunshade. Some of you have the Enhancer Sexy Commander in there, other front screen that connects to the back, Test Logic. There's a lot of products that connect to the rear OBD port, and until now, we had to rely on this Tesla's one where you cannot close it, so you just leave it out. Mine has just been left out, and sometimes I put a little plastic box there to hide it so that people don't pull on it accidentally in the back, but this solves that issue. This is a huge thing for the back where it covers all of those OBD ports and then just hides it and conceals it in there while fitting it within the Tesla's holes and everything that is aligned, because this is a one-to-one match. They use the same design. It's just a lot bigger with that big well in the back for you to be able to conceal all of those OBD ports that you daisy chain for your different accessories. So what do you all think about this product? Do you need it for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y? Have you been looking for a solution like this? Do you have any other solution that works in this situation where you wouldn't necessarily need this device? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your continued support to the channel. That is exactly what we do in this channel, is to take your feedback, pass it on to manufacturers. I work with so many different vendors out there to come up with the solutions for the problem that you're facing with your Tesla, or if you want to modify, accessorize your Tesla. So please continue to put your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll continue to find solutions for all Tesla owners. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment anything, because engagement greatly helps with YouTube's algorithm so we can bring more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. I'll be back again soon.